future. Got the blast off, yeah, you can call me super. True need a mover, never take a loss in this game. I'm the ruler, guess I am the boss. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Nothing's gonna be the same. Everything's about to change. 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 Everything's about to change.
Nagkakilala kami ni Casey dati sa dati ng company. Coordinator namin siya. RF engineer naman ako doon. Sinubukan ko siya lugawan siguro ng once or twice, pero nireject niya ako. Pero after the third attempt, ayun, sinagot niya ako at naging kami ng August 29, pero since ang gusto niyang number is 28, sabi niya, sige, gawin na lang natin August 28. Nikki, para sa'yo.
Marga.
Jeff.
Si Riri, thank you so much.
At sa best man ko, Kalayo.
Wow!
Pwede isang layan.
First date namin ni Jaymar sa Santa Clara Church sa Pasig. Noong una ko kasi siyang nakita, hindi ko alam parang ang tagal ko na siyang kakilala ganun. Tapos, parang napaka husband material.
Ang promise, actually ayoko ng promise kasi it's meant to be broken, sabi nga nila. Pero I promise to be more responsible partner siguro. And kung bibigyan ng pagkakataon, hindi maging more responsible or maging responsible parent na rin sa mga magiging anak natin.
And moves that take me and erase me, and I'm painted black. Well, you have suffered enough and warred with yourself. It's time that you
Casey, I love you.
My love, thank you sa lahat ng efforts and mahal na mahal kita.
What fortune lies beyond the stars.
Sanctifying kind of love, willing to forgive, willing to start all over again, willing na kalimutan ang mga bagay na nakalipas na, willing na magsimula ulit, willing na magpatawad at magmahal patuloy no matter what, through thick and thin.
Spirit soaring, I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
You can give without loving, but you cannot love without giving. Mahalin niyo ang inyong asawang babae katulad ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa kanyang church.
Casey, kung gaano kita kamahal, siguro naman yung 9 years na ups and down. Pwede, kumbaga, there's a lot of reason to go away, pero still pinili natin na mag-stick sa isa't isa. So yun palang malaking parameter na para sabihin kung gaano kita kamahal.
I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I
To my late father na sana nandito, na naghatid sana sa akin. I miss you so much. Spirits soaring, I touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.